two explosive weapons were found by two families when the workers who were digging the foundation of their houses found them at Mawlyndep area adjacent to Umyam Reservoir in Riboy district. The two families who were so happy to start the construction of their houses were frightened to find these explosive weapons. They immediately informed the Dorbashnong and subsequently the village authorities passed on the information to officer in charge at Umyam police station. The police later removed them from their places.
My name is Jino Kharbuki, the headman of Mawlyndep village, Riboy district. Today we could hand over the two live active explosive device. While the two families doing the earth excavations, they discovered these two explosive device. So immediately the village authority informed the Umyam police stations, and the police station and the OC of Umyam police station immediately sent the bomb squad, and the bomb squad has already rushed to the spot and taken away the things, and we were informed by the bomb squad that they are still this explosive device is still active. So now pertaining to this matter is still on with the police department.
तीन हो गया ना, तीन को एक साथ रख दो और ये थोड़ा पिन इसका निकला हुआ है हाँ थोड़ा दिख से पिन का हाँ अच्छा वही का मोट जो वही दिखता ना नहीं खराब because we first but you're signing? Yeah, I'm signing. You're signing now.